here's what you'll need to make this shit. Okay, so in a pan with just a little bit of oil. It doesn't really matter what type of oil you use. You just want to use a couple of drops. No more than a tablespoon. Basically, you just want something to prevent the sausage from sticking to your pan. And you want to brown up your sausage, breaking it up as you go along. Okay, once your sausage is done cooking, about 15 minutes, realize that to make this dish, you're going to need a much deeper pot. So, you want to dump the sausage into your pot, and I mean all of it, drippings and all. Don't drain the sausage. You will need the drippings. They're pure flavor. And at some point, get a pot of water boiling for your pasta. Again, salt the water a little bit. You can add olive oil if you want. It doesn't help anything. It doesn't hurt anything. It's just kind of pointless. And then, in another container, you want to have dumped the 2 cans of cream of chicken soup and added 1 can of milk. Like I said, this is a fast-ass dish, and it's absolutely perfect for when you are on a nice cold day. And you want to stir this around and incorporate everything. So, to recap, we cooked 1 pound of sausage, 2 cans of cream of chicken soup, 1 can of milk, and we're going to have some 12 ounces of pasta coming into this shortly. And you want to add an abundant amount of black pepper to this, and a little bit of salt. You do want to be careful with the salt a little bit because Campbell's is so fucking salty that they generally got that covered, but add just a little bit more. A little bit more. And you want to give this a stir around. Okay, now that our pasta is cooked, we're going to be adding it to this thing. Dump the whole son of a bitch in. And you want to give this a stir around. The only tip I've got with pasta is whatever it says on the back for al dente, like let's say it says 5 minutes for al dente, take a minute off. Make it 4 minutes. Or maybe 4 minutes and 15 seconds. The reason is once you've drained it and put it on the plate or added it to your sauce or what the hell ever, it's had the extra time to cook and get to the al dente package direction. If you basically go to the package directions, it's overcooked. So, again, take a minute off. That's my only tip for pasta. All right, let's get ready to serve this motherfucker. Okay, and let's ladle up, I guess, our soup or stew or whatever the fuck you want to call it. And if you're going to complain that I didn't make the cream of chicken myself, this is a fast-ass dinner. So yeah, I'm going to be cutting some corners. This is fast-ass dinner. Anyway, you want to put a couple of ladlefuls, or however much you want, into a little old bowl. I guess I would go with a stew for this one. I don't know. Whatever it is, it's fucking delicious. And then you just want to top it with a little bit of pepper jack cheese or your favorite cheese. This is completely optional. I just happen to have some pepper jack in my fridge, and I was like, son of a bitch, that seems good with this. And then you want to top it off with a few croutons. Again, these are completely optional. If you don't want them, don't put them on. And then just top with a little bit of hot sauce. Again, completely optional, but you got the spicy sausage in there, a little more heat. And that's it. Done.